trying to vlog and things ain't going your way. However, still let it end of the tunnel. Watch. Somebody loves me, baby. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Somebody loves me, baby. Child, I can't hold a note, but y'all see this right here. So UPS been trying to get with me for like 3 days, and I saw a package come in, and I was one of these people like looking through the online banking. Did I order something in my sleep? Like, what the hell happened? Well, let me tell y'all what happened, because this is going to be our vlogmas. I think this is day 4, so we're on the countdown. Y'all follow me so far, right? So okay. Being a part of YouTube support groups can be good things, y'all. You meet good people, just genuine overall people. So I am NIJAH. I'm going to tag her in this video. She is an inspirational, a Christian YouTuber, and we met through our support group. And although she's not in the group anymore, we have a following for each other, which is genuine, which is the ultimate goal. You want genuine followers. So just via IG and YouTube and all that, like, we just intertwine like that. So she actually sent me this as a Christmas gift. She does a lot of air fryer videos, and I would comment on them and all that and all that, and I don't own one. She sent me one. So today we're gonna get some I defrost some wings, and I have some potato wedges. I ain't never worked one of these before, y'all. But we gonna get it in. But wasn't that just so nice of her? So let's get to the y'all. So I have the air fryer preheating, and I know y'all like, okay, but it's just an air fryer. You've seen them all over. But old school cooks like me, mixing with new school technology, it really don't work. So I have 3 pieces of wings, and I have some potato wedges, and let's see. I let it preheat because I saw that on some YouTube videos, y'all. Some people use spray, they don't use spray. Some use oil, some don't. Girl, I don't know, but I sprayed the bottom with a little bit of olive oil spray, and I'm gonna put the chicken in here. And okay, so I did 3 whole wings, and I think time and temperature does play a part in everything, because I do have party wings in the freezer that I'll eventually end up cooking. Okay, so we turn it on, and we want 15 minutes. Oh, that's going backwards. Okay, 15 minutes, and temperature wise we want oh Lord, how to turn the temperature back? We want 360. Okay, got it. Okay, now let's start. Okay, and I think halfway through you're supposed to flip this and all that and all that. Okay, so I'm over here hearing something snap, crackle, and popping. And it's halfway through. I think I'm supposed to shake it or flip it, or let's see. Would it look good, y'all? I think I better flip this. I want for Christmas with you.
Yeah, I want my baby back. Santa, please, won't you please bring my baby back? I know I messed up, I wonder if she take me back, so I could buy her that brand new Mercedes black.
My meal is looking like my 3 pieces of air fried chicken, the Bob Evans potatoes. I add some Parmesan to it, and I tasted a piece of chicken already. It is bomb, it is crispy, and the potatoes are as well. Again, NIJAH, I thank you, boo. Like, words can't express like what this means to me, you know. I have my first kitchen gadget. Alright, y'all, see y'all in the next one.
Merry Christmas, girl, you a gift. The only thing I got on my list, where's Santa Claus? If I get you, girl, that'll set it off. So let's set it off, gamble, bet it off. The pedestal spot, never would I let you fall. You can have what you want, girl, buy them all. Wrap it up, put a bow on it. Love me always is the note on it. Your new Benz outside got snow on it.